Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Never open email attachments received from email addresses you do not know. Attachments can contain viruses and other malware. Outlook helps prevent viruses from infecting your computer by removing suspicious email attachments. However, having an email antivirus scanning software scan all incoming email and attachments is also recommended. When you receive an email attachment in Outlook, you can either open the file or save it to a folder. To do either, first open the message with the email attachment. The attached file appears in the top section of the message under the email addresses. To preview the email attachment in Outlook, click the attached file. The preview of the file's content then appears in the reading pane. To open the email attachment, click the Open button that appears in the Actions button group on the Attachment Tools contextual tab of the ribbon in the message window. Alternatively, to save the file to a folder on your local computer, click the Save As button in the Save to Computer button group on the Attachment Tools contextual tab of the ribbon in the message window. To return to the message, click the Back to Message button in the upper left corner of the reading pane. Alternatively, to open or save a file attachment without clicking it to preview it, click the drop-down arrow to the right of the attachment in the reading pane or the message window. Then select either the Open or Save As command from the drop-down menu that appears as desired. This drop-down menu has the same commands that also appear in the Attachment Tools contextual tab of the ribbon. Note that if you get a file shared from a OneDrive account, you must have a Microsoft account or associated organization account for Microsoft or Office 365 to open or download the file. To save all attachments into a folder you select if there are multiple files attached to an email, click the Save All Attachments button in the Actions button group on the Attachment Tools contextual tab of the ribbon, or select the Save All Attachments command from any Attachments drop-down menu. Then click the OK button in the Save All Attachments dialog box that appears. In the Save All Attachments dialog box that then opens, select the folder into which to save the selected attachments. Then click the OK button to save all the selected attachments into the selected folder location.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.